wo atizigi
About 3 games in the World Cup. That was Qatar 2022.
And why there?
Conceded 7 goals.
Why are there?
Yes, 7 goals.
Mo. It's other was a question.
No, but after for me, after Aquarasi, on only the next keeper, Wababa Diamagana. We Richard Kingston Mufiwa. No, Richard Kingston, dear. Only or no dear. In the history of Black Stars, he's been our best goalkeeper. Fatao Dauda no so ya de kakra. But Richard Kingston or no be mukra. But 2 years nufiwa.
So no dey, I want to World Cup dey na wo kan you. Before World Cup na Samia Jemu so abaye omo dey.
Samia Jemu Jojo
the World Cup asem na wo kan.
You omo dey but in the history of the World Cup dey fans only and wababe best way. Me Benjamin Asare anka edin kura Asare den kura to me my main value for him. But the point is, you have experience to start this game.
Yeah, I
sort of say you have experience at least you give the work will be anti in terms of composure and everything. Obey to me ayewe. Benjamin Asare may want to prove a point, and especially near Kevet for keeper ni year no in terms of age wise. What the total can say or no when
Benjamin Asare
or no need 40 but so when yin
35 ni 40 mu 35 ni 40 mu